Hey guys, I ain't made a video in a while, so just going to make another video. Antarctic mice. Gonna feed that to the lizard, which is which is behind me. I mean, not behind me, but on my shoulder. I'll be right back, cause the rats are frozen right now. These are it in the little package right here. I'm gonna feed them to them, but I'll be right back, cause it's frozen, and you guys will know that. Before I let you guys go, and I'm gonna come back and show you me feeding the lizard. But this is my lizard. You guys have seen him. If this video appear on, if I decide to post it on my other YouTube channel named Donzel Web, I'll put that in the description box below. So like, if I put this video on my other YouTube channel, Donzel Web, I'm putting the description box of this video, and you guys can go check out my channel, Blue 6. You guys can go check out Donzel Web.
Rock wanted me to write his song tonight, but I would never be his mouthpiece. Cause Rock's like LeBron James. He took his talent straight down to South Beach. And for the past few weeks, Rock's been legitimately pissed. If you get stuck singing your song tonight, Rock, it's all in the wrist. Could we please have a week where you don't come out here and choke? You may be G.I. Joe this summer, right now you're a G.I. joke. Ever since I opened my mouth about you, you've been begging me to back off. So if Rock and Dwayne are the same person, I think y'all both are jack-offs. And after April 1st, you won't be making no more movies. You're gonna need surgery on your face just like you had it on your boobies. Those poppin' pecs, they had more work than a locker room full of divas. I got a gift for Rock tonight, I'm gonna give him a Cleveland steamer. Team Bring It, his team lost it and the truth is getting scary. Cause they weren't chanting Rocky last week, they were chanting Tooth Fairy. Keep making fun of this Fruity Pebble Rock, cause I ain't even close to sick of it. I'm Mr. Kung Pao Chicken, you just Miami fried